Hello guys, this is Debashish come with another exciting digital art video for you, and today's story is a very interesting story. It has begun from tomorrow, which is 22nd April. Yes. So let me tell you the story. Tomorrow I woke up at 6:30 and I went for a small walk, and after walk I always do some meditation, and this idea came into my mind during the meditation when I was chanting Om Namah Shiva. Yes, I chant every day. That time this idea came to my mind, and also I was thinking to deliver you something special regarding the upcoming Hanuman Jayanti, and this thing came into my mind, so I hope you like it. So I was thinking to divide this video into two parts. But in the first part I will show you the painting process and just a rough sketch and all that, and in the next video we will see the complete artwork. Hope you'll actually stay with the video. Hope you'll like the whole process. So yeah, let's start. So I decided to make this video into two parts because it takes lots of time to put all the information, all the process into a single video. So in the first part, in this part you will see my drawing process, so how I draw. hope you like the video, and in the next video I'll show you the coloring process. And yes, this thing has really good build, and it is the same thing whatever I have thought when I was meditating. And yes, I hope actually show you the good result. And I want to invite you to see my next video. Okay, if you like my work, so you can subscribe my channel, you can like the video if you like it, and also you can make any comment if you have any suggestion. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.